All right, girls, what are we doing today?
Fishing.
Gonna go catch. What are we gonna go catch?
Some bluegills and some bass. I've been waiting all week for this.
Well, you guys got busy schedules I gotta keep up with, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna go catch some. What are you gonna say?
Stay tuned to Gal Outdoors.
Go ahead, Gabby.
I don't know.
You can say it too.
I don't know.
Stay tuned to Gal
Say something. Get her done. Big old bluegill, huh? Good job, bud.
Here, you grab the line. Can you help me get the fish out so I can weigh
Yep.
it?
Oh, yeah, we ain't gonna weigh it.
Please?
Okay.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Reel it in.
I
Yeah.
got one.
Billy bass.
I got one.
Good job.
Ow. I've gotten 3. Okay, Jules, can you make it steady? Go!
Is it the same one?
No.
Oh my god.
Might be.
Ow.
I don't know.
The same one.
That is actually
I
the
got
same.
one.
Reel it, Jules! Reel it!
You got the shoreline, Bubba. Girls, did you have fun?
Yeah, I caught 3 bass.
How many did you catch, Jules?
1.
You missed one, huh?
I missed 2.
Oh, you did miss two.
She started off earlier and I came first.
Don't be a smart aleck.
Excuse me.
All right, what do you say? Gabby,
Yes.
your turn. Go ahead.
Stay tuned to Gal Outdoors. Subscribe!
Peace.